Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. How you all doing today? Hope you guys are fine by God's grace. So today's video I will be using aloe vera. So after you must have cut your aloe vera, make sure you cover it with this aluminum paper so that it will last long for you, and keep it in your fridge so that it will last long. Okay, so now I'm going to be cutting this aloe vera into two parts. So first of all, I'm going to remove the shuku by the side. Okay, you have to remove it so that it will not shuku your hand. Okay, so now after cutting into two, I'm going to remove the skin a little bit. Don't cut it like in the center, just remove the skin so that you can have access to the gel. Okay, yeah, so I'm going to be using my hand grater to remove the gel. Okay, some people can use blender, use anyone that works for you best. So this grater is what I always use to take out the gel. So to my returning subscribers, you guys are welcome. Thank you so much for your love and support. I really do appreciate you all. If you are here for the first time, you are also welcome. Please don't forget to subscribe, turn on your post notification so that you will not miss out any of my new video. Okay, so this product is amazing. So if you just subscribe to my channel, thank you for subscribing. I appreciate. So aloe vera is one of the hair product that is really nice for your hair, that can really boost your hair growth. Can also cleanse your scalp, moisturize your hair, and then give you overall turnover of your hair. Okay, so after grating it, like taking out the gel, so I'm going to add the other one to it as well, because I want to make like large quantity, because I have a lot of hair on my head, so I need a lot of product to cover all the hair on my head. Okay, so I'll be adding this other one to it. Just keep watching, you see how I'm going to process everything and give you the product that we are going to be using today for my hair. So while we are making it come all together, so let me tell you a little bit of benefit of you using aloe vera for your hair. Okay, aloe vera help to promote healthy hair growth. So aloe vera also help to help us like leave your scalp extra clean, and then also strengthen your hair strength. Okay, yeah, help to cleanse your scalp, help to strengthen your hair strength. It can also help your hair to stop breaking. If you always experience hair breakage, aloe vera is one of the products that will also help you to stop your hair from breaking. So what happened here is that I blended the skin of the aloe vera, then I take out the juice, I put it on my spray bottle. I didn't know that I was not recording. This is one of the things that can happen to me sometimes. Maybe I don't even know if I'm not recording or not, but it happens sometimes. So the water is inside the applicator bottle, so I use the Blue Magic coconut oil and the green one. I mix it with the aloe vera. If you have watched my flaxseed video, yeah, that is the same way I did here. I just take the grease, then I mix it together with the aloe vera, then the product I show you just now. So I'm going to be using that to prepare my hair. So I just took down my protective style, so I use extension. I don't normally use extension on my hair, so I use extension. So after taking it down, I have to prepare my hair to bring back moisture, to clean my scalp, and to remove all this unwanted product on my hair, to bring my hair back. Okay, so that's why I'm using this aloe vera. Okay, if you have hair breakage, like I said before, try to use, if you want to boost your hair growth, you want your hair to grow like never before, aloe vera is here for you. Why? Because it have vitamin A, vitamin C, and F, which also contribute to cell turnover, and also have vitamin B12 and folic acid, and that also is good for your hair. If your hair is falling out, try to use this product. Okay, it's amazing. You can pair it with any hair grease of your choice, just in case you don't have the one I'm using, like the coconut oil from Blue Magic and the other green one from Blue Magic. You can use it with any other hair grease that you have. Okay, yeah. So aloe vera gel is also good to activate new hair growth. Or say okay, it also helps to activate new hair growth, and it also helps to increase blood circulation in the scalp. Okay, and also provide it also provides essential minerals for our health. Okay, so like all these things I've been saying, they are the benefits that you will get from using um um aloe vera for your hair growth. Okay, it also help to remove dead cell from your scalp. Like you have used a lot and a lot of product, you have a lot of build up on your scalp. Aloe vera can also help you to remove dead cell from your scalp. So if you also have dandruff on your hair and you have tried everything, nothing work for you, it's time for you to try aloe vera, because aloe vera also help to treat or prevent dandruff for your hair. It can also help to soften your skin and moisturize your dry hair. So aloe vera also can help to eliminate dead skin cell from your scalp, and also promote scalp hydration and reduce the skin inflammation. There is a lot of benefit that you will get from using this product on your hair. Okay, me adding hair grease to it is just like, you don't want to use hair grease, you can add oil of your choice to it. Okay, just mix it together, use it as a pre-poo treatment. You can leave it in overnight or wash it out that same day, depends on your preference. So I make this video late night, so I just allow it to stay overnight, then I wash it out in the morning. My wash day after this video is coming, so subscribe, stay tuned, don't forget to turn on your post notifications so that you will not miss out on that my wash day, so that you will see the products that I use to wash my hair after this amazing pre-poo treatment. Okay, this is what you can give to your hair if you want your hair to flourish, if you want your hair to grow, if you want your hair to be amazing. Like when someone see you with turn, your hair will make someone to turn. So start using all these products on your hair. They are super affordable. You can get aloe vera at any Africa store in your area. Just enter there and get your aloe vera for a cheaper price. Any of these products that I use, you can also see there in beauty supply store or Africa shop, where they say African food, they have it there. Enter there, buy your product and use it for your hair. Okay, so please, if you are not yet a subscriber, do so to subscribe. Share this video to your friends and family. Share this video to your friends and family. Tell them to subscribe, tell them to share to their friends and family as well. Hey God, so I'm just going to continue this video off camera. So I'm almost done, so I decided to come back to show you guys that I am still here. Okay, I've already applied the product to my hair, I've already detangled my hair. So here I'm just going to twist it like so. Then I'll cover my hair with a plastic bag, allow the product to sit very well on my hair. So guys, if you have an oily scalp, aloe vera is also one product that you can use to remove excess oil buildup on your hair. So like me that use like that drink hair grease on my hair, so this product is really needed like this moment. Aloe vera is needed in my life this moment. So if you are using too much of oils on your hair, try to always use aloe vera on your hair at least once in a month to remove all the product buildup, all the oils, all the yama yama on your hair. Okay, yeah, it's super amazing. So if you want, you can also add coconut. If you don't have the coconut hair grease, you can also add the coconut oil to it, because coconut oil also help to maintain your hair moisture, hydrate your hair. So I am done now. As you can see, just going to pull my hair together like so. Then what will I do again? I will cover my hair with a plastic bag. Then I'll allow this to sit overnight, because I really want this product to penetrate my hair, my scalp, my hair shaft, every single strand of my hair. So thank you guys for watching. I will see you on my next one. Bye bye.